Hi guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video I am going to show you how to change out the projector lamp on an Epson projector. What you want to start with is unscrew this projector lamp lid here. I have already did it, but you just screw on that screw counterclockwise and it should come out, and then just drag it to the side and pull it out. Then you need to take your projector lamp. I have my new projector lamp right here. And you have to insert it the right way. It only fits one way, and you just match it up where the electrical power outlet is, and just plug in it that way to the lamp. Then you screw it down with the two screw holes or two screws that are on the projector lamp. Just screw them in tightly, but don't over tighten it, and just use a regular screwdriver as I'm doing right here, because that's just the easiest way to do it. Then you just screw it in until it's tight, and you do it on both of the screws on a new projector lamp. And after you screw in the projector, feel that it is all in. If you can't pull it out, then it's all right, and you should not be able to screw it in anymore when it's tightened. Just screw it until you feel resistance, and don't over tighten, because then you're probably gonna make break the plastic in the projector. Then when you have screwed everything in, just put the lid back on and tighten up the lid as it was right before you started, because you need to tighten it, because it's a security thing with Epson projectors. It won't start if you don't tighten this lid. But yeah, once you have tightened the lid, you can start it up. And yeah, as I said, when you have screwed on the lid, then just start it up as I have done right here. And as you can see, it is working right now. So when you have started it up, you need to go into settings and reset the lamp hours on your projector, so it can give an accurate estimate of how long you have been using your current projector lamp, so you know when you need to replace it once again in the future. Just do it here in the settings, in information, then go to go to reset on the bottom, then you go into reset lamp hours, and it should be all done. And as you saw, I have been using my projector for over 7,000 hours. It's a lot, but yeah, once you have done this, you should be all right and all done with your replacement of the new projector lamp. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future. Otherwise, see you in the next one. Bye.